हॉस्पिटल में हुआ है रेप।
महिला है फिर कहाँ है से?
This is not what we deserve. We have worked all our life for this, not for this. We are serving. If we are serving our people, we at least deserve some basic respect for us in return.
I want this time I wish government take action.
सो एज वुमेंस आप लोग यहाँ पर हैं, इस समय प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। जिस तरीके की घटना सामने आई, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है सरकारें जो देश की हैं, चाहे वो दिल्ली की सरकार हो चाहे पश्चिम बंगाल की सरकार हो, क्या महिलाओं के प्रति संवेदनशील है इस समय या फिर कोई कार्रवाई करते हुए नहीं नजर आ रही?
इस टाइम पे just directly blaming the government, it should not be the thing. The only thing it should not be there that we have all our expectations from the higher authorities which are sitting at some higher positions. The basic thing starts from the very basic ground itself, whom we are working with, like as in this case also, like some news coming up, and I don't want to state all that, but the basic problem starts from the ground only, where we are working, whom we are working with, our security guards, our seniors, our hospital supervisors and everything. So the basic thing is they should consider this thing first rather than just pointing out at the government. Yes, it's at the end it's the responsibility of the government only to settle all these things for us, but I think the government is doing also, but at the ground level we are not having our basic amenities. Like in this case, this heinous crime, it happened in our hospital premises while someone was serving the mankind only. She was not even walking at 4 a.m. on the roads wearing short clothes and nothing like that. She just came to the seminar room just to take a rest for a while. If a doctor can't even take a rest while being on 36 hours duty, then how can you expect precision, or how can you expect a good treatment from a doctor? It does not happen like this outside. They respect people, they respect their doctors, they get time for their own things also, but here we are working day night and still we are getting this torture, this type of treatment from our own people surrounding us, and from like anybody from outside, the officials who are trying to make it as a suicide case. No, this should not happen. This is not what we deserve. We have worked all our life for this, not for this. We are serving. If we are serving our people, we at least deserve some basic respect for us in return. It's just this we ask for. Neither we have our the doctor duty room safe for us. The seminar room where she was sleeping, that means that hospital does not even have a basic thing like where a doctor can sleep for a while. She had to go to seminar room where it is supposed to be for a classroom. She was resting over there, and what comments I'm getting from people, they are saying why she did not inform her parents, her guardian, her seniors. Why would she inform them at 3 a.m. while she is just there in her hospital only, and she's doing nothing wrong, just was there for just few hours. Like, I won't call my dad at 3, I'm going to sleep. He won't be sitting right next to me, right? It's the basic thing. It's the basic security we all deserve.
But you talk about colleagues. How's the environment here when you're practicing? You're a student.
Yeah, I'm a postgraduate student. So basically here, like, I'm not indicating my doctor colleagues that they will do, but it's even the doctors are also human beings. Anything can happen to anyone at any time. It's not just about the females, the males also. But here we are exposed to everything so vastly. If like if I'm resting in my doctor's duty room, it's not my own space. Anybody can enter at that room anytime. People knock at the room and they're like, madam ye kar do, madam wo kar do. Even the guard who is there, they don't listen to that guard also. So it's not about just the
So what the overall management?
yeah, the overall management, and how seriously they take this thing in their head ki we are also important to the hospital. We are just not here working as machines that we need to do 30 hours duty without having a rest break also. So yes.
We talked to the people present here. They are asking for a special right for doctors, for the protection of doctors. They are asking something like that. Do you agree with them, or do you think anything else, the big major steps to be taken?
So can I ask you this thing, that it is not a basic thing that if you don't feel protected in your own profession, once you get back to your studio or where you are coming from, and you don't even feel safe entering that building, and if you are working there for so long, and then after that, if you want a single this thing, that there should be someone somewhere sitting who is protecting you in case anything goes wrong with you. If you are working restless for them, then there should be someone who is even looking at you, that yes, we are here to support you. It's not something that we are demanding something out of the road, and we are not getting salary, or we need a hike or anything. No, it's just basic thing. Everyone deserves to stay protected in their, at least in their workplace. We don't roam outside at 3 and 4 and demand all these things that we need protection. Why the police is not giving us all that? We are in our premises only where we are working. So we just want our safety for this. That scene happened, that crime that happened in Kolkata. Why? Because she was in her hospital premises, and somebody from there only, or I don't know where, but she got through all that. And what can be worse than a doctor being on duty got raped and got murdered so brutally? So if we don't get a Central Protection Act, then there is no point of serving this mankind like that.
Do you think the responsible authorities of the hospital or these government people, they're helping you in this way, or they're just ignoring the fact that it happens again and again? What should we look about?
Actually, whenever this type of situation, this is not the first time that a doctor got harassed or murdered. This is not the first time at all. So whenever this kind of situation happens, the government, the management always do something. Obviously, they do something, but after that, they don't follow up. If it is actually working, if they don't take the feedback from us, if we actually getting benefited from that, if we are actually happy, if we give it as a 5-star key, yes, we are now feeling safe. Yes, the patient don't trouble me directly. Yes, the patient is coming to me after a guard. Like what happened when a patient comes to us, they scolds us. If we say ki no, you can't scold our on duty doctor, they are like, no, I am the victim, I am the patient, I am the one who is searching for some help, and you are supposed to give me help. So they are like, they have taken us granted कि we are supposed to give them help, and without any break, without any rest. And
what about the CCTV? You are working here. Is there a proper CCTV management or something like that?
Some places there are CCTV, some are working, some are not working. Even if they are working, maybe people are not don't scrutinize it properly.
So this protest where a lot of people are just asking for their rights, do you think the government will listen to you, or just, as you mentioned that government takes action for a one time and just forget about it?
I want this time, I wish government take action for us, and also for our protection and for our safety, and also for all are being safe and everything. And after that, and this time they listen to us properly, and after that they do follow us.
जिस तरीके से देखा यहाँ पर मौजूद डॉक्टर कलीग्स ने बताया कि किस तरीके से वो डिमांड कर रही हैं एक स्पेशल एक्ट की जिसमें डॉक्टर्स की प्रोटेक्शन हो, क्योंकि जिस जगह पे वो काम करती हैं अगर वो उनकी प्रोटेक्शन वहाँ पर नहीं हो पाएगी तो फिर वो बाकी देश भर में कहाँ उम्मीद करेंगी सरकारों से। सरकार की नुमाइंदगी अभी तक यहाँ नहीं मौजूद हुए, ना दिल्ली सरकार के ना भारत सरकार के, और उनकी ये मांग है कि जल्द से जल्द एक कानून ऐसा बने जिसमें डॉक्टर्स की प्रोटेक्शन की जाए, क्योंकि जिसकी जिम्मेदारी है पूरे देश की, पूरे दुनिया की जान बचाना, कहीं ना कहीं वो अपने वर्क प्लेस में अपने आप को असुरक्षित महसूस कर रहे हैं। तमाम ऐसी खबरों के लिए बने रहे हमारे साथ, देखते रहें सौगंध टीवी। धन्यवाद।
आप देख रहे हैं सौगंध टीवी, सौगंध वतन की।